Hello, everyone. Hello. It is Rebekah here, Rebekah Borucki. I have a website called BEXLIFE.com, and today I am bringing you a Serenity prayer meditation by request. I do live meditations here almost every week at 11:11 a.m. Eastern on Mondays here on my Facebook page live, and then I offer them in replay on YouTube and on IGTV. So I hope that if you are watching this in replay that you still comment, that you still say hello, because I would love, 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 love to hear from you. I'm very, very excited about today's meditation. It is based on the Serenity Prayer, and I'm offering 3 versions of it for you, and I'll get to why in just a moment. Again, this was by request. I love when you request meditations. Whatever's going on in your life, I absolutely want to hear about it, and I want to hear how I can help you to navigate it with more ease and grace and space. The links to connect with me are all in the video description. I have a private Facebook community that I'm in every single day. And then, of course, I have links for my books, one on meditation, one on motherhood, and information on my first children's book, which is a meditation and mindfulness book for kids. And now we are going to get into your meditation. Hello, Lenny. Thank you for joining. Hello to everyone else that's coming in live. I appreciate you taking the time to meditate with me. So the Serenity Prayer. Most of you know it, have heard it. The traditional prayer, removing the religious aspect of it so that it's good for everybody, is grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And that wisdom part is so important. That's where discernment comes in. That's where really going into that deepest part of you, your intuition, your God wisdom, if you will, that universal knowledge to tap into whether I should or I shouldn't. Is this right or wrong for me? So the Serenity Prayer really pulls all of that out of you, and it asks you to be blessed in that way. So I extended the title of this to a Serenity Prayer meditation for peace and self-acceptance, and also acceptance for what is. The next version, and I'm going to reread these during your meditation, is one that is more empowering. It really calls you to be part of the solution. May my practice grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And I have the link for the source of that. It's from zenhumanism.blogspot. It's an oldie.com. And the one that we're going to use to really seal in this practice today is one that I wrote for my second book, Managing the Motherload, a guide to create more ease, space, and grace in motherhood. And this is my version of it. It's a little bit longer. So right now I want to invite you, before I read it, to take a deep inhale and exhale with me. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, or keep them open and focus gently on an object or a spot across the room. One more time, big inhale and exhale. Imagine that your breath is bringing you into a new space. If you can imagine a threshold into a room, and for these purposes, it's an energetic threshold that you're crossing over, that you're stepping over into a safe, quiet, warm space that is perfectly suited for your meditation practice today. As you step into this space and you take a seat, you know that this is the first step to greater self-acceptance. My cat is meowing. It's okay, she'll stop. Greater self-acceptance, peace, calm, and an understanding that your inner wisdom is always waiting there to serve you. One more big inhale and exhale. Relaxing into your seat, feeling steady, grounded, safe. Relaxing all the muscles in your face, your forehead, your chin. Relaxing your jaw. Allowing your shoulders to drop just a bit. Feeling that relaxation, that release through your arms, down to your fingertips, your belly. Feeling grounded in your seat and feeling relaxed in your legs all the way down to your toes. Releasing all tension. Preparing yourself to hear words of validation, assurance, positivity, hope. Continue to keep your attention on your breath, noticing your inhales and exhales as they enter and exit your body. Keeping focus on your breath as I read my version of the Serenity Prayer to you. This prayer was written with nature in mind and all of the gentle and loving force and support of the universe, reminding you that you are always supported and that the wisdom you need is always there for you to access. Your prayer. Gentle universe, allow me to become aware of what's been planted and which seeds have cracked open for me. Grace me with the wisdom to only nurture for now what I can support emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Make clear the action steps that will bring what's sprouted to full bloom. Compel me to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Let me find comfort in surrendering to a process that nurtures my happiness. And I'll say that again. Let me find comfort, ease in surrendering to a process made just for me that nurtures my happiness. And so it is. And so it shall be. Again, returning to the Serenity prayer that empowers us. May my practice grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. May my practice grant me the courage to change the things I can. May my practice give me the wisdom to know the difference. Know that returning to your practice, no matter how flawed, no matter how messy, no matter how imperfect or uncomfortable it sometimes can be, returning to this practice again and again gets you closer and closer to the peace, the happiness, the serenity, the wisdom, the discernment that you seek. Every time you sit down and close your eyes or focus gently and release the distractions of the outside world, allow yourself to become easy and relaxed. Release that tension. Every time you do that, you get closer to where you want to be. And that is worthy of celebration. Return your attention to your breath, your easy and natural and effortless inhales and exhales. Feel grounded and centered in this moment. Feel energized and empowered to take on the next part of the day. Everything is as it should be. You are here now, doing what's good for you, and that is worthy of celebration. With your next inhale and exhale, start feeling energy returning to all parts of your body, waking you up, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And then with your final cycle of inhale and exhale, allow yourself to refocus or open your eyes and return to this space. It's so good to be back with you. I took a couple weeks off for a mental health break and to celebrate my little one's 5th birthday. And I missed you. I missed you so much. So if you're watching this live, thank you so much for joining me. If you're watching this in replay, please leave your comments. I want to hear from you. Leave your requests and be sure to click the links in the video description to connect with me in my private Facebook group, to pick up my books, to share this video with your friends. Be sure to tag your friends who might need this message today. I say it 3 times to affirm it because it is so true. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm truly grateful for you, and I love you, I love you, I love you. I'll see you.